Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to buy stocks on the Charles Schwab platform step by step. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. So once you log into your account on Charles Schwab, you will see the main dashboard. To start buying stocks or ETFs, click on the Trade tab located on the top menu. After clicking it, you will see multiple trading options such as all-in-one trade, stocks and ETFs, options, mutual funds, and more. For this tutorial, we'll focus only on stocks and ETFs, so click on that option. Now you'll be taken to the trading screen where you can enter the ticker symbol of the stock or ETF you want to buy. Once you enter the symbol, Schwab will display useful information including the current market price, bid and ask prices, previous close, daily range, and the 52-week range. Next, under Action, select Buy. Then enter the quantity of shares you want to purchase. If you only want to buy one share, simply type in 1. Charles Schwab also allows investors to buy fractional shares through their Stock Slices program, which lets you invest with as little as $5 per slice in eligible stocks. But for this example, we'll stick with purchasing one full share. After entering your order details, you can choose the order type you want to use. Many beginners prefer using a market order because it buys the stock at the current available market price. Once everything looks good, click on Preview Order to review the details of your trade before submitting it. On the preview screen, you'll see a summary of your order including the stock or ETF symbol, the number of shares, the estimated purchase price, and the total cost. Double-check the information carefully, and if everything looks correct, click Place Order. Once your order is submitted, Schwab will provide you with an order confirmation message and confirmation code. After the trade is completed, you can return to your account summary page where you'll see your updated balances and investment positions. Your newly purchased stock or ETF will now appear in your portfolio holdings. And that's how simple it is to buy stocks and ETFs on the Charles Schwab trading platform. These days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. If you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, there's a detailed review that goes over everything you need to know. The video should be up on your screen right now, so just click it to start watching.